ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು 798th ಡೇ. ಓಂ ಅಸ್ಮದ್ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ನಾರಾಯಣಂ ನಮಸ್ಕೃತ್ಯ ನರಂ ಚೈವ ನರೋತ್ತಮಂ ದೇವೀಂ ಸರಸ್ವತೀಂ ವ್ಯಾಸಂ ತತೋ ಜಯಂ ಉದೀರಯೇತ್. ಶ್ರೀಮನ್ ಮಹಾಭಾರತಮು ಥರ್ಡ್ ಪರ್ವಂ, ವನಪರ್ವಂ ಆರ್ ಅರಣ್ಯ ಪರ್ವಂ, 34th ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್. Sota Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Vaisampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja. Dharmaraju saying to Bhimasena like this, O Bhimasena, on that day when we were playing that gambling, you were very mad at me and you were even ready to burn my hands. At that time Arjuna stopped you. You were also ready to attack all enemies. If you had done like that, it would have been so much destruction. Oh Bhimasena, now you are saying so many things to me. Why didn't you say all these things before I do pratigna to all the Kauravas that I will do Vanavasam? You should have said all these things to me on that day itself. Now you are saying very harshly all these things to me. O Bhimasena, bhuyopi dukkham mama Bhimasena दूये विशस्येव रसं हि पीत्वा यत् याज्ञसेनीं परिक्लिश्यमानां सन्दृश्य तत् क्षान्तमिति स्म भीमा. I am also worrying a lot about some other thing. What it is on that day when all the Kauravas were insulting our Draupadi, we were there and we widely opened our eyes and have seen that, but nothing we did. If I remember that, it is paining me. It is torturing me like as if I have drank poison. Oh Bhimasena, on that day, after all that is done, all that disaster things have done, I made a pratigna that I would go to Vanavasam. Now, after I do that pratigna, I cannot go back and attack Duryodhana and other brothers and capture kingdom. I cannot do that. As and how a farmer, after sowing the seeds, he will wait until the plant comes out and gives the fruit. Just like that, kalam pratikshasva sukhodayasya. I will wait until happy days comes to us. Such great soldiers who thinks like this will definitely attain the complete happiness, will definitely be able to conquer all the enemies. Even enemies will bow their heads to us and do namaskaram. We will be able to gain so many friends. Oh Bhimasena, let us wait until happy days comes to us. Please realize about my pratigna, what I have done. मम प्रतिज्ञाञ्च निबोध सत्यां वृणे धर्मम् अमृताज्जीविताच्च राज्यञ्च पुत्राश्च यशोधनञ्च सर्वं न सत्यस्य कलामुपैति. Bhima, dharmam is supreme. I give top priority to dharmam. I do not care moksham. I do not care life, but I care dharmam. This kingdom, children, wealth, prosperity, property, fame, all these are nothing in front of Satyam and Dharmam. Like that, Dharmaraju responding to Bhimasena. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vigneswara Swami. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana, 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 Sriman Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging, and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Srimannarayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Srimannarayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.